Ever wondered if animals might be smarter than we give them credit for? Well, prepare to have your mind blown because the animal kingdom is full of surprising geniuses. Welcome, folks, to this captivating exploration of animal intelligence. Now, when we think of smart animals, our minds probably jump to our furry friends, dogs and cats, or perhaps the mighty dolphins. But the truth is, intelligence in the animal kingdom is as diverse as the species themselves. There's a common misconception that humans are the only creatures capable of complex thought or problem-solving, but recent studies have turned this notion on its head. Animals, big and small, have shown remarkable cognitive abilities, challenging our understanding of intelligence itself. Take the humble octopus, for instance. You might not expect a creature with 8 legs and a bulbous head to be a mastermind, but these underwater marvels are known for their problem-solving skills and adaptability. Or consider the crows and ravens, birds that use tools and have a keen understanding of cause and effect. And let's not forget our closest relatives, the chimpanzees and gorillas, whose social structures and communication skills are remarkably similar to ours. But why does animal intelligence matter? Well, it's not just about ranking animals on a scale of smart to not so smart. Understanding animal intelligence can shed light on the mysteries of the brain, help us develop better conservation strategies, and even provide insights into human cognition and behavior. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at these intelligent animals and their unique abilities. We'll journey through the depths of the ocean with the octopus, soar high in the sky with crows and ravens, and swing from the trees with chimpanzees and gorillas. We'll delve into the science behind their smarts and discover how they've adapted these abilities to survive and thrive in their environments. So gear up as we dive into the fascinating world of animal intelligence. We promise it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine an animal that can change its shape, color, and even texture on a whim. Meet the octopus. A creature of the deep, the octopus is not just an 8-armed wonder, but also one of the most intelligent beings on our planet. Octopuses are invertebrates, meaning they have no bones. This lack of a skeletal structure allows them to perform feats of escape that would make Houdini green with envy. They can squeeze through tiny holes, cracks, and crevices, their soft bodies morphing to match the space. But their ability to escape isn't just physical. It's also a testament to their problem-solving skills. When presented with a challenge, such as a jar with a screw-top lid containing a tasty crab, an octopus will explore, experiment, and eventually find a solution. They've been known to use tools, a clear sign of advanced cognitive function. And their intelligence isn't a fluke. It's a product of over 250 million years of evolution. But if their problem-solving prowess isn't enough to convince you of their smarts, consider their ability to mimic other creatures by changing their shape, color, and behavior. Octopuses can imitate a range of sea animals, from flatfish to sea snakes. This mimicry is a sophisticated survival strategy, allowing them to avoid predators and even sneak up on their prey. One of the most famous examples of octopus intelligence is Inky, an octopus who resided in New Zealand's National Aquarium. One night, Inky managed to escape from his tank, cross the aquarium floor, and slide down a 50-meter-long drain pipe leading to the open sea. His daring escape made headlines around the world, proving that octopuses are not to be underestimated. Clearly, octopuses are masters of both strategy and disguise. Their intelligence, combined with their physical adaptability, makes them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. So next time you see an octopus, remember, there's a lot more going on behind those big, bulbous eyes than you might think. Often associated with mystery and intelligence in folklore, crows and ravens have proven to be just as clever in reality. These birds, part of the corvid family, have demonstrated remarkable problem-solving abilities that rival even some primates. Ravens, for instance, have been observed using sticks as tools to extract insects hidden in tree bark, a behavior scientists call tool use. Crows, on the other hand, have been seen bending wires into hooks to fish out food from narrow containers. Before we continue with their impressive abilities, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We consistently bring you intriguing stories like this one, so ensure you won't miss out by turning on notifications. Now back to our clever feathered friends. This is more than just a simple trick. It's a manifestation of their understanding of cause and effect, their ability to plan ahead, and their capacity to learn from experience. These birds also showcase their intelligence through their complex social structures. They live in large, cooperative groups where knowledge is passed down from generation to generation. Young crows learn from their elders how to find food, avoid predators, and even how to use tools. Perhaps the most fascinating display of crow intelligence comes from Japan. Here, a group of crows have figured out how to use moving cars as nutcrackers. They drop hard-shelled nuts onto busy roads and wait for cars to run over them, cracking the shell. Then, they swoop down during a red light to safely retrieve their meal. It's a brilliant example of urban adaptation, showcasing not just their problem-solving skills, but also their ability to understand and manipulate their environment. However, these behaviors are not just random acts. They are a result of years of evolution, shaping these birds into some of the most intelligent creatures on our planet. They represent the intricate dance between nature and nurture, where genetic potential meets environmental opportunity. So next time you see a crow or a raven, remember that you're looking at a creature with a brain power that's truly impressive. A creature that can solve complex problems, use tools, and adapt to its environment in ways that would make even the smartest human pause and take notice. It seems these birds truly live up to their brainy reputations. Sharing about 98% of our DNA, it's no surprise that chimpanzees and gorillas have some serious brain power. When we talk about the brilliance of the animal kingdom, we can't overlook our closest relatives, the great apes. Their intelligence is not just a product of their genetic similarity to us, it's a testament to their unique evolution and adaptation to their environment. Chimpanzees and gorillas have shown us they are far more than just muscle. They're crafty tool users, which is a fundamental sign of advanced cognition. Chimpanzees, for instance, fashion sticks to extract termites from their mounds or use stones to crack open nuts. Gorillas, too, employ tools like sticks to gauge the depth of water before wading in. This ability to use tools, once thought to be exclusive to humans, demonstrates their problem-solving skills and foresight. But the wonders of their intelligence don't stop there. They also have the capacity to learn human sign language, allowing us to communicate with them in ways we never thought possible. Take the story of Coco, a gorilla who not only learned but also used over 1,000 signs. She could communicate her feelings, name objects, and even tell jokes. She showed us that gorillas have emotional depth, a sense of humor, and a capacity for empathy. And let's not forget Kanzi, a bonobo who has a remarkable understanding of spoken English. He can respond correctly to spoken commands, debunking the notion that understanding complex language is a uniquely human trait. These apes also have intricate social structures, often revolving around a dominant male and characterized by complex interactions. They nurture their young, have lifelong friendships, and even mourn their dead, showing us that their emotional world is rich and multifaceted. Their abilities remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, even within the animal kingdom. Today we've journeyed through the animal kingdom, meeting some of the world's most intelligent creatures. We've seen how the octopus, with its 3 hearts and 9 brains, uses its problem-solving skills to navigate through mazes and unscrew lids to reach its prey. We've marveled at the ingenuity of crows and ravens who craft tools from twigs and wires to fetch their food, demonstrating an understanding of cause and effect that rivals that of young children. We have observed the remarkable social dynamics of chimpanzees and gorillas, who not only communicate with complex gestures and vocalizations, but also demonstrate empathy, cooperation, and even a sense of fairness. They teach us that intelligence isn't just about solving puzzles or using tools, but also about forming rich and complex social relationships. Each of these examples illuminates a different facet of intelligence, reminding us of the vast spectrum of cognitive abilities that exists within the animal kingdom. It's not just about who's the smartest or who's the most like us. Rather, it's about appreciating the diverse ways that animals adapt to their environments, solve problems, and interact with each other. Understanding animal intelligence isn't just an academic exercise. It can help us appreciate the richness and complexity of life on Earth. It can inspire us to treat animals with respect and compassion, recognizing that they too have inner lives filled with thoughts, feelings, and desires. It can also guide us in our efforts to coexist with animals, creating environments where they can thrive alongside us. Remember, intelligence comes in many forms, and as we've seen today, it's not limited to humans. So next time you see an animal, you might just be looking at one of Earth's brainy buddies.